Hey guys, we are back for another brew day. As you can see in the background, things are underway already. So I'll swing the camera around and show you what's going on. Okay, so I'm brewing up a fresh hop pale ale and I'm 30 minutes through the mash at the moment. So yeah, it's going well, not much to do at the moment, but the liquid's starting to darken up a little bit, which is nice. You can probably get a better idea of the colour there. Yeah, and the pump's second time using the pump, that's working well. Just had to throttle it back a bit. So yeah, this is the fresh hop pale ale, and this is the basic recipe here. So it's Danscade fresh hop, that's the name of the hop, Danscade, and I'm using Gladfield's American Ale, medium crystal, some wheat, sour grapes, which is acidulated malt, some oat hulls just to help with the recirculation. Going to bitter at 60 minutes with some Pacific Jade, and then the main ingredient, or the main reason for the brew day, is I'm going to be using these, my hop cones that I picked off my plant late last night. And these have just been sitting in the fridge overnight. Oh, they smell absolutely fantastic. So still deciding what to do with them in the boil. I think I'm going to split half and put it in at 5 minutes, and then use the other half in a hop stand right at the end. So yeah, we will be back. Okay, so we're just at the next stage. Sorry I couldn't film it. This is almost a two-man operation, getting the grain basket out onto the cake rack. So I did a mash out, and yep, grain basket's out, just draining into the boiler. And I'm just bringing the boiler up to the liquid up to the boil. So we'll keep on draining as much as we can out of the grain basket until we reach the boil. So we'll be back with the first hop drop. And it's just come up to the boil now. So we will add in the 60-minute addition. So this is 12 grams of Pacific Jade for bittering. So in that goes. And we'll be back when we do the fresh hop drops. Cheers guys. We are 5 minutes from the end of the boil, and I'm going to put in half of the fresh hop now. So we'll put that in. There we go. And I'll give that a bit of a stir just to make sure it's all spread around, and then we will come back for the hop stand. Okay, we're at 0 minutes. I'm going to do a probably at least a 15-20 minute hop stand with the other half of the fresh hop, so that's about another 55 grams. So I had about 110 all up, so we will pour that in. We'll do the hop stand and we'll come back. Okay, I've just finished the hop stand, ended up doing a 25-minute one in the end, just to try and get as much out of those Danscade hops as I could. So yeah, we're just chilling down. Interesting to see if I can get it a little bit lower today, although the groundwater temperature is still in the low 20s. And she is there, coming out the other end. Okay, we will carry on. We'll see you shortly. Cheers guys. Just transferring into the fermenter. Got it down to just under 30 degrees with the chiller, but still got a way to go. So yeah, there's the sample there. Got a nice clear sample in the tube. So what I'll do is we'll finish off the transfer, and then we'll come back and do like a final thoughts and a bit of a taste test of the sample. So there's the sample. It came out at 1050. Nice light sort of coppery colour. Let's get a taste of it. Some nice bitterness coming through, so I think there's going to be some firm bitterness there. Tastes good, no grassiness, which was probably my main concern using my hops, that I'd picked them at the wrong time, but don't seem to be any of that grassiness through, so that's great. Yeah, so that's me done and dusted. The fermenter's in the fridge, and just got the cleanup to do, so we will catch you later. Thanks for watching, over and out. Cheers.